Hi, I'm Raghu Kiran and I'm a business coach. Are you a business owner feeling, or does it seem like your business has hit a plateau, or worse, you're trapped in a rut? Maybe it's just your mindset holding you back from reaching it to the next level. If this sounds familiar, I have just the opportunity for you. Join me on August 31st at 9 a.m. for a 2 hour workshop where we'll deep dive into proven 6 steps from Action Coach that has helped thousands of business break free from stagnation to achieve massive growth. This is just not about business as usual. It's all about taking a moment to reflect, rebuild, and rewire. We'll cover everything from fundamentals to building a team that runs like a well-oiled machine, creating a predictable cash flow, and ultimately transforming your business. So whether you're just starting out or you've been in the games for years but can't seem to push you past your growth barrier, this workshop is designed to equip you with actionable strategies that you can implement right away. And the best part, it's absolutely free. So join me, as the spaces are limited, so don't wait. So please go and register, and I'm excited to help you to reflect on where you are, rebuild what needs to be stronger, and rewire your approach for success. Remember, the journey to a thriving business starts with a single step. And take that step with us on August 31st, and I can't wait to see you there. Thank you.